You're in the home stretch. As we approach closing day, we want to ensure your transition to homeownership goes as smoothly as possible. Closing day is the date you sign your mortgage paperwork and complete the purchase of your new home. With many moving parts in the days leading up to closing, our financial service affiliates, Pulte Mortgage, PGP Title, and Pulte Insurance Agency, are here to help keep things simple. With a long history of collaborating with us to achieve efficient and on-time closings, you can sit back and enjoy the excitement that comes with purchasing your new home. Here are a few things you can do to get ready. In the 60 days before closing, your lender will work with you to finalize your loan details, refresh and re-verify any necessary documentation, and lock your interest rate if you haven't already done so. If working with Pulte Mortgage, they'll fine-tune your financing timelines to synchronize with the completion of your home and ensure everything is closely coordinated as your closing day approaches. During this time, you'll also want to obtain homeowners insurance, which is a requirement for closing. Our affiliate, Pulte Insurance Agency, is here to help and can provide you with a free, no-obligation quote should you need assistance. Although we know this time is exciting, unexpected events can happen. We recommend holding off from scheduling movers or booking travel arrangements until closer to your closing date. You're almost there, and closing day is in sight. During this stage of the process, you will finalize your homeowner's insurance policy and provide it to your lender. Verify with your lender that they have all final documentation and are informed of any changes in job status, compensation, credit, or savings since obtaining your loan approval. Confirm with your title company or closing agent on what to expect on closing day, including appointment time and location, required attendees, and what to bring. At this time, you'll receive the final funds amount needed, if any, at closing, and be informed on how to provide it. Confirm the required funds to close are prepared for transfer. Sign and submit your preliminary closing disclosure to your lender at least 3 days prior to your closing date. This is one of the most important documents you'll receive, so make sure to check it over carefully and talk through any requirements or deadlines with your loan consultant. A delay in signing may result in a delay in closing. Contact local utility providers to set up service in your name and schedule any installation appointments needed. Please be advised that all utility services must be transferred within 24 hours of closing. Reach out to your sales consultant to establish how you will receive the keys to your new home after closing. Please note, this process may vary by region. Additionally, you'll want to plan on attending the final meetings of our Build Quality Experience, the Build Quality Pre-Closing Orientation, and Build Quality Celebration. These steps in the home building process are designed to verify the quality construction of your home. On your closing day, all home buyers listed on your home's purchase agreement should be present, along with their spouses, as some lenders and title companies may require spousal signatures. If you have made other arrangements, such as a power of attorney, then those parties must attend and bring any necessary documentation. On closing day, please be sure that each attendee brings a valid government photo ID. You have transferred all required funds to the title company or closing agent, and you have fulfilled all requirements of your lender. Once your closing documents are signed and all funds have been settled, you will become the official owner of your new home. Congratulations!